Okay, so this is the damage we have done today. We worked for about 3-4 hours and we accomplished only this. Yeah, we just removed all the cabinets and everything, and it seems it's gonna be a lot of more work than we thought. So only taking down one closet like that after 4 hours we didn't even finish. So I think we're done for today. We'll come back tomorrow, I guess, and I hope we will be able to finish this closet. So that's it for today. See you. Hello. It's the day 2 of our renovation. So we're gonna continue with this closet. And we hope we can start to pull apart this one too today, because we got very helpful thingy. This one. So yeah, electric drill. So we hope this will speed up the process a little bit. So we'll keep you updated. All right, so this is what I have been doing today. Removed all the cabinet doors. You see a lot of stuff here. And Tom removed everything here. And one thing we discovered, that the walls are very uneven, so we have to do a lot of work to make them even. Yeah, so not pleasant surprise, but you know, you do what you have to do. Yeah, so I guess that's it for today. We worked for about
2 hours, no, 3.
3 hours, yeah.
Coffee time.
Yeah, with the coffee time, so pretty good work for today.
It's not much, but it's honest work, so yeah.
Okay, so see you the next day.